So, last night I went to bed early and I had some very unpleasant and very anxious dreams. I woke up this morning well before my alarm, checked the crypto markets, took a deep breath, and then reflected on why I'm so passionate about this space to begin with. Because even at times like this, I just can't stay away. Now, markets never go up in a straight line, and bear markets are par for the course. The show goes on, people. Now, perhaps yesterday we all felt that today might be better. I mean, let's face it, it couldn't have been much worse. But there are still a number of factors that are weighing on the markets. Of course, this whole fallout from the Luna and UST crash continues. The former appears to be on life support and the latter is still way off its peg. However, this depegging is now leading to fears around other more established stablecoins. And the big green elephant in the room is, of course, Tether. And this morning, it broke from its peg too. It fell as low as 95 cents, which is the lowest it's been in years. It seems as if traders were moving out of USDT and into other stablecoins such as USDC and BUSD. Both of these were, for a time, trading above their peg, meaning people viewed them as more secure than USDT. Now, while USDT's peg has somewhat recovered, this was a scary deviation and not what an already jittery market needed. And it's important to understand what could have caused it. So perhaps the primary cause relates to uncertainty around Tether's reserves. There are still questions as to whether it is fully backed, and although it has been more transparent with attestations, these are still not full audits. It's this uncertainty that has people wondering if ever there was a run on redemptions for USDT, could Tether still meet these requests? So, that's reserves. Then, of course, you have fears that there could be some strong stablecoin regulation incoming. Both in the US and in the EU, regulators are looking at the UST debacle and are licking their lips. So if we do see stringent enforcement actions, it could further lead to more uncertainty around USDT. There's also speculation out there that someone could be attacking the USDT peg. Perhaps the same entities that successfully hit Terra are coming after Tether. Now, these are just rumours at the moment, but not beyond the realms of possibility. So, with luck, USDT can regain the peg and snuff out the uncertainty, and I will be keeping a very close eye on that, because the last thing any of us need right now is further uncertainty. Now, it's not just Tether FUD, of course. The macro picture is in the toilet and someone keeps pulling the flush. Inflation is still running hot and stocks are in severe reversal territory too. And it's not just us in crypto who are having a rough ride at the moment. Institutions are just getting out of all their risky assets, be those tech, blue chip, crypto, whatever. So that sound you can hear is people running for the hills. All right, so what do we do from here? Well, I am going to keep doing what I've always been doing, and that is working on content for you fine people. I'm still holding my crypto and focused on the long term. This roller coaster is going to be a stomach-churning ride, but, as my old man always says, the whitest heat tempers the finest metal. Thanks, Dad.